Good morning, students. This is Murthy sir. Today, you will learn about the different steps of agricultural practices. The different steps of agricultural practices are preparation of soil, sowing of seeds, adding manures and fertilizers, irrigation, weeding, application of biopesticides, harvesting, and storage of food grains. Preparation of soil. Soil is prepared before sowing the seeds. The soil is loosened to increase the absorption of water and manures. Loosening of soil particles adds humus and nutrients in the soil that increases crop yields. Tilling or loosening the soil is done by plows which are pulled by a pair of bulls or with a tractor. Humus improves plant growth, has high water holding ability, good at storing nutrients, useful for microorganisms, improves soil structure, and absorbs heat. In this picture, you can observe a farmer plowing or tilling the soil with the help of a tractor. The methods of sowing the seeds. In traditional method, a funnel-shaped tool is used to sow the seeds traditionally. In broadcasting method, the seeds are scattered on the seed beds either mechanically or manually. Here you can observe a farmer broadcasting the rice seeds in the field. This is a seed sowing pattern in the agricultural field. Manure is organic matter used as fertilizer in agriculture. Manures improve the fertility of the soil by adding organic matter and lots of nutrients such as nitrogen that is trapped by bacteria in the soil. Manure from birds and bats is called guano. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are called macronutrients which are vital for the growth of plants. Organic manuring. It improves soil fertility and also it maintains the soil health. Irrigation is the artificial application of water to the soil through various systems of tubes, pumps, and sprays. Irrigation is usually used in areas where rainfall is irregular or dry times or drought is expected. There are many types of irrigation systems in which water is supplied to the entire field uniformly. Drip irrigation is highly effective at supplying 1 to 4 gallons of water per hour directly to the soil. The advantage of drip irrigation over sprinklers is that there is little water loss due to evaporation or runoff. In drip irrigation system, water falls into the soil drop by drop and the soil remains moist. In sprinkler system of irrigation, the rotating sprinklers will sprinkle water into the field. Weeding is an important control method practiced in many crops. The removal of weeds is useful because these unwanted plants compete with the crop for space, water, and nutrients. Weeding also helps to loosen the soil. Water can infiltrate more rapidly and roots of the cultivated plants can develop in a better way. The removal of weeds or unwanted plants from the agricultural field is necessary to maintain the healthy growth of croplands and for getting a good crop yield. Nowadays, the farmers are using biopesticides to control pest attacks on different crops, and they are eco-friendly. Biopesticides are released in masses to control pests and pathogens. In the integrated pest management programs, biopesticides are an important component and are considered as effective and eco-friendly compared to synthetic materials. Biopesticides do not persist in high number in the crop environment. This picture shows some biopesticides which are used by farmers to control the pests which destroy the crops. Harvesting is the process of gathering a ripe crop from the fields. Harvesting is the cutting of grain or pulse for harvest, typically using a sickle. On smaller farms with minimal mechanization, harvesting is the most labor-intensive activity of the growing season. In this picture, you can observe a farmer collecting food grains from the field. This is called harvesting. The storage of grains is a very important step in agricultural practices. Grain is maintained at moisture level of 14% or less, and seed is stored at 12% moisture level or less. Grain is protected from insects, rodents, and birds. For the bulk storage of food grains, silos or granaries are used. They are scientifically designed for the effective storage of food grains.